Hey friends, if you wish to check whether the radio type supports 5 gigahertz frequency on your system or not, then please watch this video. So I'll explain this thing. Wi-Fi connections come into two frequencies usually. One is the 5 gigahertz one and one is the 2.4 gigahertz one. Now the difference is that while the 2.4 gigahertz frequency has a longer range, the 5 gigahertz frequency usually offers a much better bandwidth. So I'll give you a command. It is netsh space wlan space show space drivers. Simply copy it and open the command prompt window and paste it here. Hit enter. Now scroll up. They say radio type supported. Now this doesn't mention 5G anywhere, but it doesn't need to. If you see the B frequency 802.11B, 802.11 AC and 802.11N, then these three will support the 5G network and also the AX1, which is the latest version. But if it only supports G and A, then it will not support the 5 gigahertz bandwidth. Usually newer computers come with either the AC bandwidth or this one, the AX radio type, so you should be good to go. But older computers don't have this option. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.